Alden Richard update. Group picture pa nga sila Alden, kay Kanda, Kim Jisoo at mga bosses ng GMA. Nandiyan sa Siargao. May mga maswerte nakapagpa-picture kay Alden during taping ng Love Siargao. Yun, no? Gwapo pa nga ni Alden, eh. Ito post ni Alden sa kanyang Instagram. Sa endorsement niyang I am worldwide, sabi niya, no matter how busy life gets, our health should always come first. One simple habit I never skip is drinking this amazing barley from I am worldwide and every day, you know. Ipa-demo pa si Alden, siyempre. I am worldwide ambassador. Isa dyan si Alden, you know. Ito yung interview kay Alden.
Inkling nyo into a certain activity. Marami naman klaseng sports activities na meron tayo dyan. You have running, you have cycling, you have pickleball, basketball, volleyball, what have you. All kinds of sports. You know, I think it's high time na rin para sa ating lahat to be more active because right now there are a lot of things around our surroundings that will keep us immobile. So, siyempre, andun yung, scrolling sa cellphone, siyempre, playing video games, at the same time, watching TV, watching different kinds of platforms. But, you owe it to yourself to be healthy because you never know, one day, magugulat ka na lang, bigla ka na lang maramdaman. So, we don't want that to happen. So, prevention is better than cure, and start an active lifestyle today.
Yun. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.